Just tap your badge once more here.
Great.
And then make your way all the way down to the right.
Awesome.
And the first available square.
It's very clear when you walk in, you show the security guards the web-based questionnaire. I had a green check mark because I didn't have any symptoms. They let me in and I was able to come in and stand in a box that was 6 feet away from the person who was checking me in.
Can I have your name?
Yes, Jessie Souweine. They were able to find me in the system that I had signed up for that time slot. Then I walked over and just like at the grocery store, there was a spot for me to stand to wait in line, which felt very normal to me. When they were ready, the clinician called me in. I sat down. She asked me whether I'd ever had a swab before, which I have not. It's very organized. We have awesome people here who make it very clear what's happening. The clinicians are super nice. It was not painful. It was very quick. Then she gave me some information to take with me as well as a barcode, which would help me to get my results when they were complete. We are trying this out. We are trying to figure out how to use testing as a way to bring folks to on-site work. And luckily, we had an amazing team of people. We pulled folks from events, from employee health and safety, and then with our partners at Color and our colleagues at GP, we were able to understand what the setup needed to look like, figure out what the flow had to be, think about staffing, find clinicians, and deal with getting the auditorium transformed. So it's standing up a whole new operation that didn't exist about 10 days ago.